Let's just see how muddy that is. You like mud then?
Yeah.
Now you've picked up quite a lot of mud there, haven't you, Kurt?
Yeah, look at my trousers.
Look at that.
Horbury Lagoon. We cycled all the way around. We met a person who was fishing. We normally come fishing here. We're doing about 5 miles since we've set off so far. And it's been a lot muddier. So I'm just going to let you have a look around the bike. Got all that mud clump. Now I'm going to cycle through these big puddles to get rid of all this mud. Now I'm going to do another one.
It's Kurt's mud car wash, isn't it?
Yeah.
Keep going. Under the bridge, through the massive puddle. Yep, go on through there. That's difficult one-handed.
Yeah.
That's it. Power, power. Look at that for a hill you've just beaten. Well done. Keep going. Keep going, mate. Almost there.
Here we are at Horbury Canal. Behind me here is Horbury Bridge. This canal runs from Leeds to Liverpool, and it would have been the main way to get goods from one place to another before lorries were invented. Now we can go for a ride along the coast. Bridges along the canal. Horbury Bridge is a road bridge, and this one is a footbridge. So I'm going to try and here.
Well. Right, shall we continue our ride?
Yes. Right, off we go again. This is a weir, so it stops if it's too rainy, so it stops that water there in the canal rising and then flooding onto this path here, so people can't get across, and the weir takes it to the other calder. at Horbury Bridge. Jojo's come to pick us up in the impact bus. We have finished our ride for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.